What's up, food fans? My name's Jesse and I am the Fundamental Food Dude. So recently I had a craving for sweet peas and I wanted to make something with them. So I decided to do a sweet pea puree. It's an extremely easy recipe and it doesn't require much. So I got a pack of frozen peas, garlic, and a lemon. So with that, we're just going to blanch the peas. We're gonna throw the ingredients into a blender and then we're gonna smooth it out, pop it in the refrigerator, and we should be good to go. So yeah, let's get started. Start by heating up your water and bringing it to a boil. Throw your peas in. Set your timer for 2 minutes. And then let the peas come to a boil. After that, strain them out. And then drop them into your blender, or in my case, my magic bullet. Now it's time to add a spoonful of garlic. Add as much or as little as you like. Then we're going to juice 1 entire lemon, freshly cut, for a little zest. Make sure to pick out any seeds that make their way into it. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, top it all off with some fresh cold water. Now we're gonna blend it for about a minute until it gets to the consistency we want. Which is gonna be pretty liquidy, but still a little chunky. So that's why we need to strain it. So strain it through your finest strainer and work it around with a spoon or a spatula. Keep working, and work it a little bit more. You're gonna be left with a little bit of chunk up in the top, but what you're really looking for is what's going to be left in the bowl beneath. Give it a little bit of a stir. Perfect. Now we're gonna throw that in the fridge for about 20 minutes to chill it down as fast as possible. This will keep it from browning. Good to go. Now put it in its own container, and what you get is about a cup of perfect pea puree. It's got a great consistency, smooth texture, and it looks delicious. I decided to put mine on a steak with a little bit of pasta. It's a whole wheat pasta cooked with tomatoes and bell pepper. And this looks absolutely delicious. I can't wait to dig in. Okay guys, thanks so much for checking out the video. We made a really simple sweet pea puree. I decided to put it on a steak with a little bit of pasta, and honestly it could go on anything. It could go on potatoes, it could go on chicken, it could go on fish, but it's a really easy way to add some extra flavor, some extra nutrients to an otherwise boring dish, or just try to impress your friends. So anyways, let's go ahead and check this out and see what it's all about. But I mean, you know. It's nice. It's zesty. It's garlicky. It's got that rich pea flavor to it. And it really adds to the dish and it really elevates this. Now, I mean, this is already a really decent dish, but the pea puree absolutely takes it to the next level. So Next time you're in the kitchen and you want to try something simple and new, go ahead and give this a try and see what you think. I'd be interested to know what you think. Post yourself in the comments down below. Be sure to give this video a like, and if you're interested in the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon. And if you're interested, you can always follow me on Instagram @FundamentalFoodDude for more cool content coming soon. Cheers.